Lord. There are battles no one sees, storms inside me, but you know them all. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. I have smiled through heavy moments while my heart was breaking slow. Walked through rooms with silent panic, no one seemed to know. Obimjuru nuja, my heart was full of fear. Thoughts were loud at night. Then you met me in the hidden place and wrapped me in your light. You got what I cannot guard, you heal what I can't explain. When I am falling inward, you call my name. You are the keeper of my soul. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. When my mind is overwhelmed, you cover me. You calm the storm inside my chest. You teach my heart to breathe. You are the keeper of my soul, and I can rest in peace. When I lose my way in sadness, when my strength begins to fade, you do not grow tired of holding what your hands have made. I put my trust in you. No more fear alone. If you are keeping what I am, I know I'm not undone. Even when I wander, even when I shake, your mercy stands beside me till the morning breaks. You are the keeper of my soul. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. When my thoughts run wild again, you steady me. You speak peace into the deepest wounds and set my spirit free. You are the keeper of my soul, and I belong in peace. Hold me close, keep me safe. When my strength starts to break, please stay with me. Guard my heart, guard my mind, till your peace fills me inside. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. Keep my soul, keep my soul, keep on my soul. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. You are the keeper of my soul. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. Keep my soul, keep on my soul. You are the keeper of my soul. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. Now the war inside is quiet because you're here. Onye Na-eche. I close my eyes without fear now. Your love is drawing near. Onye Na-eche. You are the keeper of my soul, forever keep me near. Onye Na-eche Ndụ M. Keep my soul.